Welcome sa inyong lahat dito sa aming channel. Huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe para lagi kang notified. Kami si Justin and si Chris at ito ang aming Simple Life. Note, comment down below. Please share and like this video.
Welcome to another episode of the JK Vlogs. So, isa na namang lazy Saturday morning dito sa JK headquarters. So, si Chris, katatapos lang niya ng second round ng kanyang tulog. Kasi natulog daw, nagising daw siya na maaga. So, defensive siya ngayon. So, ayan siya. Lab, nagagawa mo?
Nag-iwa ng pakwan! Guys, ganyan karami yun, no? Kalahating pakwan. Yan yung ginus namin, 2 baso. Wow! Pakwan juice.
O, kanina nang binigyan mo nga ako, walang straw eh. Tapos yung baso ko, di man lang special.
Ginagawa na po kita, mga
yes. So, yun. So,
ng pakwan juice natin.
Yung ingredient ng pakwan juice na ginagawa ni Chris, frozen pakwan. Tapos,
accidental frozen.
Oo, naiwan niya kasi sa ref. Tapos, isang bottle ng Yakult. So, yun.
Sarap. Parang dumi niya yung 5, pero bula lang yan. Yan! Ito guys, ito talaga yun. Ang sarap. Harap. It's naturally sweet. And ang pinakatubig lang talaga nito yung Yakult. Kasi syempre, taas na ng water content ng watermelon. Meron akong pinost dito sa salamin. Ayan. O diba, si Justin bayaran talaga. Sabi ko sa kanya, kasi ang taba na niya. Pagkatapos sa bahay na to, siya lang ang walang pakialam kung ano nang itsura ng katawan niya. And it's, paano ba? Parang ako kasi, I'm more concerned on his health. Kasi si Justin, wala pa siyang, wala pa siyang insurance. Ako pa lang yung may insurance. So sabi ko sa kanya, pag namatay ka, wala tayong mapapala ng mga anak mo. Sabi ko sa kanya ganun pag nagkasakit siya, diba? Sabi ko, kailangan he has to stay healthy. And kasi, ayoko talaga na nagkakasakit. Sabi ko sa kanya ganun. At kapag tumaba ka pa ng tumaba, you're at risk for diabetes, hypertension, yung mga ganun. Yun yung mga sakit na talagang uubos ng kayamanan mo. At para ma-motivate siya, kasi ang tagal niya na nagpapabili ng bike sa akin. Sabi ko, I'll think about it. Pero sabi ko, bago yung reward, kailangan may gawin muna siya. Or, babayaran ko yung pagpapapayat niya. So, with every kilo that he will shed, I'll give him 1,000. Siguro 10,000 lang budget ko. Kasi naman, no, Justin, masyado ng mahal kapag mga 20,000 yung bike na yan. Hanggang 10,000 lang ang limit natin. Okay? Breakfast is, ano ba to? Omelette. Omelette ata. Ayun, no. Ayan. Tapos, meron tayong leftover pasta sauce. Maybe I should cook a little bit of pasta. Tapos, isali ko dito. Yay! Thank you so much! Fitness Gourmet! Guys, do you hear that? Si Kuyang nagmamaratilyo. He's at it again. This is the reason why I can't film right now. I have so many videos to film. But, he's right underneath my room. Which is right there. There's just no flipping way I can film a decent video because of this. What? Sino kasing may pakana na buksan niyang bintana na yan? Laging nakasara yan eh.
Once we let go into unknown, there's no looking back, there's no turning back. For the first time we come alive.
Ito talaga yung the best feeling, guys. Yung kapag nakapag-map ka na, pwede ka na magpagulong-gulong sa floor. And this is also the reason why I don't allow shoes inside my house. Kailangan shoes off and then house slippers ang suot. We have to hurry up, guys, kasi nasa baba na yung Uber. Pupunta tayo ngayon sa Mob Aesthetics. Hello, kuya! Ay, aray ko.
You and I don't need much, it all so close your
Guys, I think I forgot. Kalimutan ko kung nasan yung aking sunglasses. Okay. Dito na tayo sa Mauve Aesthetics because it's a day of pampering for yours truly. And we're here! Hi! I'm here, guys. Sobrang love ko talaga dito sa Mauve Aesthetics is yung kanilang presentation, no, diba? Kapag nagpa-schedule ka ng appointment, meron silang papasuot sa'yo na robe, tapos may towel and everything para komportable ka. So, ayan guys, nakapagpalit na tayo and ready na tayo for the treatment. O, diba friends, achieve ang glowy skin. Actually, langis lang po yan. Super duper oily lang talaga ng aking mukha. So, before your REM light session, ang gagawin daw nila is meron silang parang mini facial, right? Okay.
Cleansing.
Kailangan i-cleanse kasi yung face para syempre mas gumana yung technology na gagawin nila sa aking mukha. And I love how cold that is. So relaxing.
All I want is an adventure. Pull the dreams to my head. Cause I'm tired of pretending. Give me something I won't forget. All I want is an adventure. Pull the dreams to my head. Cause I'm tired of pretending. Give me something I won't forget.
My skin feels so soft and smooth. And I'm done with today's. Yan guys, ginawa na nila yung aking nails. It's so pretty. It's a new shade of nude para may pagka-peachy yung kanyang tone. It's done na yung ating pamper day. Again, if you want to check... Natanggal yung cellphone ko. Okay, anyway, as I was saying, if you want to check this place out, just take the Uber. It's more convenient. Mas maganda na i-type nyo na lang Bio Condotel ate, di ba? Yeah, Bio Condotel. And then it will lead you straight to the blue building. And then dun sa baba, andun lang siya. So, yun lang. Thank you! And okay, ito na nga. Hello! Pupunta tayo sa grocery ngayon guys. Nandito na tayo sa Trinoma. And mamimili ako ng mga gulay kasi nag-crave ako ng adobong mushroom. Mamaya magluluto ako. So far, this is what I have. Kumuha ako ng mga cereals because I love cereals so much. Diba, kumuha na naman tayo ng mga bagay na hindi naman talaga natin kailangan. Ang pinunta ko lang dito, mushroom. Oh, look at that. This is gulay heaven right here. I'm so sad right now. Wala silang fresh mushrooms. Should have bought the last pack. That's it. We're now at the kitchen, guys. And sobrang gutom na ako. Kasi huling kain ko is alas 8. Tapos alas 3:30 na. O, diba? Ito ang aking kakainin. Parang crab mango salad. Na dinala ng aking mga angels kahapon. At saka, yung lunch galing kay Fitness Gourmet. I don't know what this is. But all I know is that this is couscous and chicken. Let's eat, guys! Kain na tayo. It's ridiculously bright in the room right now. Because guess what? We're gonna be filming again. Look at that. It's gonna be a full face using BYS products. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Naiyak ako dun. Ang sakit! So, yun lang guys. Again, sorry BYS people if you're watching this. I love 80% of the products, but yung tatlong sinabi ko sa huli, medyo I think you could still work on the formula.